Hey guys, good afternoon, it's Tony. I wanted to make this video because there is a really good chance, very high probability, that GameStop actually closes this daily bullish trigger. The last time this happened, we ran from 86 bucks all the way to 198. If we do close this daily bullish today, which I do think we will, if we stay at this 151 plus level, I do think we'll close a daily trigger, which will initiate that official perfect entry on the daily close. My target after 1 o'clock p.m. today is going to be roughly 250, 260 by the end of April for GameStop, if this daily trigger actually closes in 28 minutes. So we got another 28 minutes and 30 seconds to go before we actually close this trigger. I already bought my calls. I bought them for a month out. I bought $200 strike calls. I will update later on those, but for right now, it's just, it broke that trend. Here, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. We had the official break of trend back here, I think about yesterday. Actually, if we go into the 1 hour, you can see it a lot clearer. And if we do close above that 151, obviously you're going to be closing above that support, above that resistance of 149, 150. But you did have the initial break of range right here, April 11th. You came up, came back down to test it, and then now you're pushing to the upside. So we'll see where we go from now. The 50 MA and the 200 are still the 50 MA is actually running to the upside to close out above the 200. So on the 200, on the 4 hour, we actually have the 50 crossing over the 40. I don't want to get rid of my forecast, but it's just, things are looking pretty good. Things are looking pretty okay. And I actually think I might double down again on some more calls right before close. But 27 minutes, looks like it's going to close a daily bullish day. My forecast is at the end of April, roughly, 28, 29, 30, 31, whatever, at the end of April this month or sometime this month, I think GameStop can actually rally all the way to 258.93. Roughly, let's go with 250, 260 price target by the end of April. So take that information as you will. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.